In every industrial facility, productivity drives success. But behind every production line lies a critical responsibility: protecting the people who keep operations running. During maintenance activities, even a single unintended equipment startup can result in serious consequences. Safety is not just a requirement, it's a commitment. Introducing inSis LOTO, a comprehensive digital lockout tagout management platform designed to simplify safety processes, strengthen compliance, and improve operational control. From request creation to equipment restoration, every step is managed in one intelligent system. Maintenance teams can quickly initiate LOTO requests by capturing equipment details, work scope, isolation requirements, and digital approvals. No paperwork, no delays, just a streamlined and standardized process. Built-in workflows automatically route requests to authorized personnel for review and approval. Every decision is recorded, every action is traceable, every person stays informed. Field teams can verify lockout status instantly using QR-based tracking. Each isolation point becomes digitally traceable, ensuring maintenance activities are performed under controlled and verified conditions. When maintenance is complete, restoration procedures are systematically validated and documented before equipment returns to service. Ensuring safety is maintained until the very last step. Powerful dashboards provide real-time visibility into active permits, completed isolations, compliance status, and safety performance across the organization, transforming data into actionable insights. Empower your teams with smarter maintenance safety. Empower your organization with inSis Connected Worker.